Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore crypto transactions in CoinLedger for 8949 reporting detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your CoinLedger account and log in. Navigate to the dashboard where your transactions are displayed. Locate the section labeled Transactions or Import. Click on the option to import your Choose the relevant file format for your transactions, typically CSV or API connection. If you select CSV, prepare your transaction data in a compatible format. Make sure each transaction includes necessary details such as date, amount, and cryptocurrency type. Upload the prepared CSV file to CoinLedger by dragging and dropping it into the designated area or using the File Upload button. Once the file is uploaded, CoinLedger will parse your transactions. Review the imported data for accuracy, ensuring all transactions are correctly categorized. If you notice any errors, use the editing tools to make adjustments to specific transactions. After review, confirm the complete set of transactions is accurate. Next, navigate to the Tax Reports section on the dashboard. Select the option for generating Form 8949. Select the desired tax year for which you want the report. CoinLedger will process the data and compile your report based on the information provided. Once processing is complete, download the generated Form 8949. Double-check the form for any discrepancies or errors. Your crypto transactions are now restored and ready for compliance reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.